Installed done?
Yeah, it's done.
You can check in the apps folder.
Which folder? Apps folder.
App.
Okay, here in
Spotlight,
Launchpad you are
in
asking.
the spotlight.
In the last side, in the last.
You can type Rancher.
Rancher. You can search. RAN. Yeah, this is one. That one. Open it. Yeah. It's downloaded and you can download the Postman and disable the Kubernetes.
So here,
Disable Kubernetes.
this one Docker I need to disable.
No, Kubernetes.
Okay, enable
upper
Kubernetes.
one.
Okay, this one I need to uncheck.
Yes.
Okay.
For now, you can uncheck. Maybe later stage we required. I'm not sure on that, but which I analyzed the first one, right?
Okay, so I need to click on OK.
Okay.
Yes.
Click on OK. You come to your terminal, and on the outside of terminal, go to your project location, and build.sh is there, right? Instead
So
of
here
dash
I
s,
need to
you
do build.sh or in this terminal, system terminal.
yeah, system terminal outside of IntelliJ.
Okay, build.sh/d, right?
Yeah, that will be building for Docker.
Okay. So here what I need to do? Nothing.
Nothing. They will.
Can you check the images?
Okay.
How many images is there?
Only images for now.
One.
That is the default one. Don't do anything. That is
Okay.
the default one.
Can you run the?
Yeah. This one, build.sh/t. It's failing.
Build node. Sorry, command you did.
You can run into IntelliJ. Why you are writing here?
No, here also is fine. That's also fine. No. Go to your project location, right? Not on the direct route.
That's why. If you go to the IntelliJ, then it will be no need to move anywhere. Just it is
Okay.
open.
So IntelliJ till now I just opened this one. So this project, and after that what I need to do?
Minus dot sh build.sh dot build.sh minus d.
Load build definition from Docker local. If you see in the repository, right, it for services, there is a one file, Docker file dash local.
Okay. In Finder I need to check.
No, nothing. Once you wait for executing on this, right? Downloading all the dependencies.
Okay. And here I need to configure Tomcat as well.
No, not required to do anything for now because everything is done, and for now we are doing the Docker, right? And Docker file contains all the installation setup. They will do automatically.
Okay. Simply I need to open this project.
Yeah. Open and run the command.
Okay, build.sh/d.
That is for Docker deployment, and when you do the build.sh, that is for local build with the test script.
Okay.
For local setup, face. I think Virendra, you also see that error, right? In your local machine, the Tomcat error.
No. Here?
In the earlier, the same facing the same issue, right? That Tomcat is not connecting.
Connection refused.
Yeah, connection refused.
No, no. For checking the API client. For endpoint, checking the API endpoint.
Srinath, as you mentioned previously, like we need to delete some file from local.
It is already done, and just try to run the application
But
again.
I haven't
No,
deleted.
no. For Docker installation, we will not require that one because anyway, that Docker is a separate container. So that is a separate, like it acting as a virtual machine. A separate VM, which contains all the things. Is a separate from your local machine, and the Tomcat is present in your local machine.
What we need to check inject logs. China.
Sorry.
What we need to check here?
Either is done. The Docker is started and running.
Yeah, what is we need to check actually? Builder success, each and everything.
Yeah, we can just check if it's success. At the last, you can take the you get the URL, right? What is the URL? And
Okay, the last URL. Okay.
Here I'm getting
Not-
some exception.
yeah, that you can keep for side. Go down. Maybe we can look in the
Illegal state exception.
Go down. I'm also doing the same thing parallelly.
So build success. I am getting this URL.
So this is the URL. Just hold down.
It is build success
Yeah.
for you.
Yeah.
Now you can go to the Intuit client APIs.
No,
Maybe
build success is a success for me as well, but there is some SS file is running. Stage 1, stage 2.
stage 1 and stage 2.
Yes,
No, I think some build process.
some creative directory in the
Build line number 52. Docker command not found. Give an error.
yeah, because I think Docker is not worked there
Where?
in the area.
Machine?
Yes, in our machine. Because in my system it is downloaded so many things.
Yeah, from my side also see last 3 minutes is processing.
Yeah, it's me as well.
You
Something
put
is
me on
getting
the
the
command not found in terminal.
Yes. Okay, let me show you my screen what exactly looks like so that you people guys understand. Just a moment. I'm sharing my screen. Arya, you can just disconnect.
yeah, Arya, you can disconnect.
Yes.
Okay, maybe you can understand better. If you see here, what I did the same thing parallelly with you, Arya. So if you see here, I'm getting that issues also. Just ignore for now. We'll see later. Once we run the command, right, the build.sh, so all the net files, this will get built for Docker basically.
Okay.
It will give a message like say building and running in Docker.
Okay.
This line. Once this will build our pom.xml and it will generate deleting the existing target file whatever it is present and will combine all the classes. Okay, and it's also executing the test cases as well. Okay, once it's done, you can get the build message. That is nothing but the build up or compilation or build the application, and you can get the WAR file here.
Okay.
Yes.
And that is the pom.xml initial stage. Then after going forward, what they will run the load build definition from the Docker local file. The Docker local file nothing but here, this one. This is the Docker local file.
Okay.
So as part of whatever they return, they will download the latest version Amazon Coroto from this Docker Intune. They clean the things, they have the workspace, copy the work directory, run the install this one. They will do all the steps. They already written. We will not required to do anything.
Okay.
And what is the exposing server?
Export.
This
8080.
is the 2808.
This is for the Docker only? 080?
Sorry.
This is for Docker expose.
Yeah, this is the Docker expose, and that's the reason they did, I think, internet somewhere port forwarding. I think if you get that message right in the down, you can able to see the 8081. So that they did the port forwarding as well, but we need to find that where they did the port forwarding, because they mentioned the 8081, but that is for the internal Docker. But we want to access that is outside of this application, right? Launcher application. They map to 8081. Okay, so it means that, see, this much build files, the downloaded all the files. See, this all the get executed. Okay, and it will give the like this URL with us and when we run this one, when we run that with the 8 we can get the response. Okay.
Okay, so as per US screen, I see the HEMA screen as well, but there's a no Docker file is deployed. Can you show me where you deploy the code Docker file in the Docker?
Not deployed. Not.
Rancher. How many images in the Rancher?
Now you will see in the Rancher. I can see the.
Yeah, there's a file, but in the HEMA there's a no that file.
So why it's not read file? Because there is some issue with our end also, right? That's the reason this is maybe this process is not done at our end.
Yeah, this is happening on my side right now.
We miss anything? Just let me check my documentation. And the morning only I'm just preparing the document for the setup one, right? What I did.
I'm just following your steps. It's working for me.
See, what I did, I execute this command. Okay. Yes. This is we did, right?
Yes.
After successful installation, what I did, search in the launchpad or Spotlight. I searched this one, and here what I did, get started. I choose the Docker MD. Okay, and disable the Kubernetes because we need only Docker, right? That's it. And going forward, what I did, I just search the Docker CLI command, just checking the whether version and info. That's it.
Okay.
And I just check the Docker Compose version. There is Docker Compose version on there. And the when I launch this one, I think that snapshot is not taken. So when I launch, I can see the default images, this one, and the container empty. For now, if you see, my images is there and my image is also running, and so that's the reason it will go into the container running, this one. And if you see, is the port forwarding here. And it was the 80 and it will get it to 81 and it here. It is something here, logs.
Actually, it is downloaded so many things. It is one time or every time to do?
For each deployment we need to do, right? If you are made any changes.
Okay.
Then at that time we need to do this activity instead of deploying on the Docker.
Because it is running 5 minute stage 1, stage 2.
I think the stage, where is it, the stage? Can I just show you? This one? Okay, this. Okay.
Stage 1, then stage 2, build 1, build 2. Yeah.
I think first time it's take a time, maybe this time it's take a time. I think for now it's okay, right? When we work locally is done, right? Maybe we can do it faster. For the Docker, at least, for what I'm trying to say, for now, in order to check the endpoints, right? How it's working, how it's getting the okay. Right, that's the reason I'm just trying to set up on the Docker. They are not suggest like that on yesterday, but we want to expose this one, right? So just explore this one on the Docker side. So now coming to, you are all getting the stuff in the three places, at the Docker side as well and the local side as well, right?
Local side only I stuck.
And Docker side you are able to do this one?
Yeah, I'm just waiting for the. It is in this stage. Like it is done till now. Till now it is done. Just waiting for 5 to 6, whatever it is remaining. These are remaining.
So Srinath, I'm stuck from Docker side as well. Because for me, it's not building. After build success, it directly showing command not found, and giving one URL.
Can you check the Docker Compose version is down?
For in images, I'm getting only one, and
It is default one.
okay, and container is empty. There are no container to show.
Container running right now.
Sorry.
No container running right now because it is generating the image. After the imaging generate, we will run the container.
Okay. So what I need to check now?
Can you try to rerun build.sh -d?
Okay, in IntelliJ only.
There is only yes.